Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Gum Profit, and this is totally new method guys. You can see here. Actually this is new method to make some profit, to make some revenue. This is turnkey stable method that allows you to start a business fast, means take advantage of passive income, because this method is nobody using, okay, and everyone else is focused on same affiliate methods and this one is wide open. So this is about the combination of Gumroad guys. Okay, you can see here Gumroad. How to remember the name? Gum means chewing gum. Okay, and road, Gumroad. Okay, remember this name by this, that's how. And this is Medium, which is a free website to write some articles, blogs, something like that. This is also Gumroad is also a free website where you can sell some products. Okay, some digital products. You can put your price and see. Actually, I already made this account and I generally always keep thinking to try on this, but I never started till now. So this is member access area guys of Gum Profits, and we will discuss each and every these features. You can see here in front of you. We will go through each and every features, and later you will be able to know this is going to fit for you or not, so that you can go ahead for this product which is Gum Profit. Now the first of the kind method, nobody has made a program that has made it so easy to get started. So guys, I am really recommending this product. Why? Because Gumroad is too many people are is still they are not using this one, and this is too much good platform. Okay, and by using this and this is complete combination, and just because of this both combination, this Gum Profit program comes in the picture, and you will get some good things about these both platforms, and you will get some methods, some inside secrets to apply to implementation. Okay, so that you will be able to make some profit, some revenue. Okay guys, so we will discuss each and everything. I hope you got my point. This is Gumroad, this is Medium, and this product is about the combination of all, and how you will make some profits and some revenues out of it. You will know easily. Okay guys, so this is the product I already told you. You can go on this page through the link below. Okay, I already mentioned all information here. You can click on any yellow button out of that and you will be come on the main website and you will get some more information. So guys, let's start from here. So this is a welcome point where you will get some introduction about the complete overview, system and method. So you will just get overview from this video. Okay, this is a video about that introduction and all. So I'm just leaving this one 1 minute video. This is what is Medium, which I already shown you here. This is the medium.com. You can see. Okay guys, medium.com, where you can start for free writing articles and blogging, and you will get actually some type of the traffic. Okay, and you will just redirect to here also, but you will get a complete method combination and much more things, because marketing methods you are again going to get some different things also. So we will discuss each and everything. This is about what is Medium. Okay, what is Medium, you can see here. And this video is let me show you. It is taking a little bit time, but no worry. If it take too much time, we will go ahead with this, which is what is Gumroad. This is 1 minute video guys. What is Medium, what is Gumroad? This is, you can see what is Gumroad. And again, this video is actually, this is complete in video format training, so you will know each and everything in deep. Okay guys, and I'm telling you again guys, this is 1.4
Welcome back.
little bit video, and why you should use Gumroad guys. Main strategy and main reason you will get in this video. Okay guys, because just because of this, again I'm telling you, you always should try different types of the
Hi guys,
traffic.
welcome
This
to
is
the
four main
final
methods
video
you
of this
can see.
introduction.
Okay, why you should use Gumroad. Okay, so guys, I always told each and everyone, you always use you always should use some different traffic methods. And this is again new method. You can see, not new, this is old, but many people are not using. And just because of using this method and combination of this method also, okay, you will easily beat the competition. Okay, you will go ahead from the competition. So you will know each and every secrets and methods inside this program. Okay, so after clearing this question, why Gumroad, you will be able to set your mindset to work on this. Okay, which is Gumroad. Okay, so you can just put your product. For example, here I'm just using any type of the ebook, for example, for selling. And I just want to sell those for $17. This is pre-order membership. I'm just going for classic, guys. Okay, so I'm just done with this. Nothing is this. I'm just going to next, and let's see what will come in front of us. Okay, product, checkout, share. Okay, guys, so each and everything is ready-made for you. You can just put some description about your ebook. For example, I am selling for NFTs, okay, NFT games, and much more, for example. Okay, guys, something like that. So, and you can just put thumbnail, and now from here, you will upload some external website also, cover something like that. Okay, and here you will get some, here actually you can put some additional details. Now here you will put some your ebooks or whatever. Okay, guys, and just you have to just publish from this. Okay, and just you have to share this link with anyone, guys. Okay, this link. Okay, you can just integrate your payment method here, some PayPals and something like that. Okay, I'm just giving you a little bit overview. It will take time, guys, but I'm sorry for that, but I'm just showing you main things only. Okay, so you can see reach balance of at least $10 to be paid out for you. Okay, guys, so this is little bit condition. Okay, you can also make some affiliates also to the people also. It may be you can also become a affiliate. Okay, some you can add some affiliate also, okay, for your product from here. Okay, because right now I didn't publish any products, so that is why I'm not able to show you each and every process, but this is pretty simple, guys. Okay, too much simple. Okay, this is medium for articles and all. Okay, because just because of from here you will start getting some yes, traffic, okay, on your this link also. Okay, you can just put your link directly. Where is my product? You can just put your link directly inside the blocks, inside your contents, and that is how you will start getting something. Okay, this will be your link. You can see here. Okay, guys, this is your link. Okay, or okay, just come on the back to the point, guys. So you will get some initial setup. Okay, after clearing this mindset, after clearing this why Gumroad using and all, you will come here, you will see how to set up the medium. Okay, guys, this is actually important step. If you are using this two platform, this both videos are going to be important for you. So this
Hi
is
guys, welcome to the first
3-minute video. You can see medium setup. Now this is Gumroad setup, you can see. And again, this is for, it maybe should be 2 or 3 minutes also, because you have to just make some setup. Okay, just something like this. Okay, this is, I'm just showing you overview, but here you will get perfect.
Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to teach
step-by-step method completely. So you have to just do that 4-minute video. This is okay, guys. So I'm just closing this one, just choosing a niche. So all this thing, identifying strength and niche, because in your favorite niche, if you put your strength, okay, so you can make some good profit and revenue out of that. Okay, so this is something about that, because generally many people, this is 4-minute video,
so this
guys.
is
Okay, you can see generally many people what they do, they generally just start with anything. Okay, so you don't have to do that. Okay, otherwise you will be in the rush. Okay, you will be in average people. Okay, you will not be able to beat the competition, guys. Okay, so how to
this
find
is
your
getting a little bit more practical.
1-minute video, so you will get the main idea to put your strength into your work. Okay, and just to make profit out of that. So this is applying your strength to a niche.
Welcome back to the next video. So what we're going to do now is take the information that you
6-minute video, you can say, guys. Okay, and this is this will be niche, and you will easily clear all these points. Okay, guys, you will easily, actually step by step, you will make good thing. Okay, and this is too much short. This is not too much lengthy process, guys. Okay, within some times or within some hours, okay, you will start working on this. Okay, guys, this is like that. So what is this? This is contacting vendors. This is again an important thing, guys. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a new section
on 5-minute video, you can see. And this is advanced method of same things, which is contacting vendors. Okay guys, so again, this is a main important thing guys. Okay, and you should go ahead. Okay, I'm already telling you, I'm recommending you this one. This is 8-minute video guys, 8 to 9 minute video. Why I'm recommending you? Because you will start making something from new platform. Okay, and just because of this platform and this platform, it may be there are too much people are working on this medium, but on Gumroad too much people are not working, and it will be easy for you to beat the competition guys. Okay, so why you do reviews, I think I already clicked on this, but let's see how long this video it is now guys. This is skeleton method to content creation guys. Many people don't know even about this, what it is about. Okay, so this is
Hey guys,
5 minute video guys. This is about why you do reviews. Now this is skeleton method. You will get the each and everything about the skeleton method in this. Okay guys, actually in each and every feature you are going to get something important, something new. This is 2 minute method, 2 minute video guys. SEO optimization. Okay, I'm just talking about this. In each and every feature guys, you are just getting something important guys. Okay, this is too much important. This is initial setup, which is too much important. Okay, this is again why you have to use Gumroad. Okay, you will know the main idea and how you will beat the competition. You will get in that video. Okay, that idea and your answer, you can say. Okay, so okay guys, so each and everything is much important in this dashboard. I'm loving this dashboard guys. So this is SEO optimization guys. See, SEO optimization, you are able to download some resources. Okay, this is complete cheat sheet. So this is 12-minute video guys. Okay, you will get some SEO optimization. Where you have to do SEO optimization? Here guys. Okay, here on Gumroad. Okay, it may be for here too, because SEO work for everything. Okay, so when you do SEO for this and for this, you will start getting some good high quality traffic and higher traffics also. So this is 12-minute video SEO optimization, and this will be producing content. Okay, now this is marketing for from this three platform. Okay guys, Instagram billion, actually billion peoples are already active on this. Okay, billion people. So you can just learn about this Instagram. Okay, for your this product. So this is Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, Quora. This is a 6-minute video, guys. You can see here about Instagram. This is about Twitter. And let's see what is in Twitter. Twitter is also a good platform, guys. Okay. Or I'm also working on Twitter and some more.
Hey guys, welcome to the next video. This is just
again 5-minute video guys. This is Quora. This is a writing platform. Okay guys, writing platform. So in writing you can put your affiliate link. Okay, just talk about something product. For example, your product is related to NFT, so just make content about NFT. Okay, for free, simple.
All right guys, so
okay, so just make content about NFT on medium.com or and something, type something on Quora, write something on Quora and put your affiliate link in your content. Simple. Okay guys, that is the simple different type of the marketing methods, but here you are, or here you are getting more marketing methods. Okay, now this is scaling and conclusion, consolidating the information. So each and everything, how much you got and how, actually this is conclusion. Okay, repeating of each and everything. Okay guys, so click below to become a Gumprofit affiliate also. Okay, you can just
hi guys,
access some resources.
That's really the entire
4-minute video guys about consolidation. Now this is limitations of medium long term. So this is also important video guys, because if you are working on any platform, so you should be aware about that particular platform. So moving on from medium.
Hi guys, so right now just another video. I'm adding a couple of videos to the end of this program, just because of questions that I've gotten from people and concerns people have raised. So I'm just going to address those now, so I don't have to.
8-minute video, and this is closing words. And guys, you should not skip this guys. Okay, and here you will just finish this complete intro. Actually not only information program, you can say. You have to just apply. You will get all setups and all these things. You have to just start applying things guys. Okay, you should start applying things. So this is 4-minute video guys. Okay, about closing words. And now here you are getting some done for you bonuses. get YouTube profits also. Okay, this is Gum profits, and here you are going to get YouTube profits, get website mastery, Gum profit reseller. So I'm just clicking on this, guys, and let's see what is coming in front of us. And later we will decide. Actually, you have to decide you should go ahead with this product or not, but I'm highly recommending you this one. Okay, guys, so this is right now unavailable. Okay, it will be available today because right now this product is not launched. Okay, guys, so this is about web mastery. This is about done for you. Bonus dynamo. Let's see, guys, what is coming in front of us by clicking on that buttons. Everything is unavailable right now, I think, guys, but it all thing will be available when product will be launched. Okay, guys, so I hope you got my point. Okay, this all things you are just going to get at the end of this product, and I hope I told you each and everything, guys. Okay, and this is the two platform where you will start making some profits and revenue. This is complete in-depth information about this Gumroad and Medium. And I'm also personally telling you guys, I'm also going to start on Gumroad because directly you can work for dollar. Okay, so I mean, you can work worldwide. Okay, by using this platform. Okay, generally what happen, you always face some problems about different countries, but just because of this platform you don't have to face those type of the problems. You will direct make a revenue in dollars. Okay, and just simple, you have to just take this into your bank account. Simple, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, and some bonuses I'm coming with. You can just go outside and you can just click on the link below and you can just see all this, because I'm not making any type of the crazy hype like others for my bonuses. Just go click to the button and just see. Simple. Okay, and you will be able to see inside also you are getting some bonuses in this. Okay, I already shown you. See, again, some bonuses you are going to get here. So many bonuses you are already going to get. You have to just apply these things, these steps into the actions, and you have to just implement all these things, guys. Okay, this is your work. So guys, we will meet with another masterpiece. Till then, bye.